Life has many chapters. One chapter doesn't mean it's the end of the book. You cannot excel at anything you don't love. So the choice is clear. If you want a life of meaning and fulfillment, then take on a mission that scares you, that you can barely lift, and see it through no matter what.
It must be noted that it does not mean you should be rigid. Instead, you must have Shoshin, a beginner mindset. You must question your decisions, test your hypothesis, pivot as required, evolve and grow as a person. Be better than you were, improve life for others less fortunate, and grow your reach and revenue.
Don't settle. Do work you love. Design your future. Discover the best way to grow your business. Design your future. Monetize your story. Powered by Digital Samurai. Get started now. Scan the code or go to designyourfuture.biz.